Am I the only one that didn't know about these amazing free web resources, Mark? Check the description for links. What I wish I knew at the start of my entrepreneurial journey. The freedom to work from anywhere is priceless. Hi, everyone. I'm a first-generation African American, and my entrepreneurial journey has transformed my life in ways I never imagined. Here are 4 ways online entrepreneurship has helped me live a wealthy, well-traveled life. First, it gave me financial freedom. With remote work, my income isn't tied to a single location. Whether I'm in a cafe in Paris or a beach in Bali, I can make money from anywhere. Second, it opened doors to endless learning opportunities. From mastering digital marketing to honing software skills, each new skill boosts my business and expands my horizons. Third, it nurtured my work-life balance. I get to savor moments with loved ones and explore new cultures, all while growing my business. And finally, it empowered me to set my own goals and achieve them. With clear intentions and the right technology, I turned my dreams into reality. Ready to transform your life? Start your online entrepreneurial journey today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my Grow with Technology channel for more tips and inspiration.